Hi everyone, and today we are going to do the review of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G, and it's really good review. And before we begin with the review, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and also if you like the video, please like it. And our goal is to get 200 subscribers by the end of this month.
So guys, the video we're gonna do today is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G network. So let's head to that. Okay, so as we know that Redmi Note 10 5G is the phone we're gonna do today, and its brand is Xiaomi, and its model is a Redmi Note 10 5G. It's released on 4th March 2021 with not launched in India till now. And its form factor is a touchscreen with a dimensions of 161.89 into 75.34 into 8.92, with a weight which is 190 grams, with a battery capacity 5000 mAh, with the fast charging which is proprietary. Colors are Aurora Green, Chrome Silver, Graphite Gray, and the nighttime blue. So as we go for the display, we can know that it's having a screen size which is a 6.50 inches, and touchscreen is also there.
When we go to the hardware, it is a processor of octa-core processor, makes MediaTek Dimensity 700 with a RAM of 4 GB and internal storage 64 GB. When we go to the camera, it is a rear camera 48 megapixel, 2 megapixel, and 2 megapixel. Three rear cameras, rear focus, and rear flash is also there. And for the front camera, it is 8 megapixel, no pop-up camera, or only one front camera. When we go to the software, it is Android 11 operating system as we are in 2021. Let's go to the connectivity.
For the connectivity, we get to know that it's having a Wi-Fi with it's having a Wi-Fi, GPS, and then it's having Bluetooth. It's having USB Type C, and it's having SIMs. So the number of two SIMs are there are two SIMs, and the first SIM is having a SIM plan, which is a Nano SIM, and is there is GSM, or you can call it Oh, sorry, pardon me. You can call it GSM, or you can call it CDMA, and there's 4G and there's 5G. For the SIM 2 also, it is a nano SIM with also there's a GSM, 3G, 4G, and 5G in that. And That's all. And one thing, the SIM 1 is having no 3G. Only the SIM 2 is having a 3G. So that also you guys need to know. And if you guys like this video, like, subscribe, press the notification button. I'll explain this very clear to you guys. So in the past week or two, subscribers have been decreasing but the subscribers now has been increasing a lot, and with all of your guys, all of you, your support for us, a very tremendous support for us. I appreciate that. And 30 people unsubbed our channel, I guess 3 or 2 days back, and that was a very kind of demotivating thing, but still we appreciate your hard work. Like, we appreciate you subscribing to our channel, and keep telling your friends about our channel, and tell them to also subscribe our channel if they like our content and videos. And guys, so you guys have to subscribe, like, comment, and share. So when you guys go to the subscribe button, you guys will see a notification button on the side. So if you guys can see on the bottom left over here, you guys can see that there's an all, personalized, and none. You guys have to press all. If you press all, right, the it will come all the notification videos we are doing currently. So if you guys like this video, we will see you in the next video, the whoop and a wap. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye, peace out.
And you will find the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro Max review right over here. And you will find the Asus Zenfone 8 review right up here. And Asus Zenfone 8 review is the popular review or the video in this channel. So please watch that. Thanks so much for watching. We are
Yes.
signing off.